Hey friends, Dr. Joseph Bell here from Golden Chiropractic. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate a few alternatives for getting in and out of bed to really avoid putting pressure or stress on that lower back, especially when we're dealing with an acute episode of lower back pain. As for all pain symptoms, I would really recommend using this tactic for getting in bed regardless of if we're symptomatic or not symptomatic. So, in the upright position, kind of pretending like we're tied down into a chair, I'm going to put my hands right underneath my legs and just start to begin leaning where I can press my first wrist and then elbow into the bed. So just look as so, pressing, pressing, pressing. Going down, really staying still like that. As you can see in this position, my head and neck are now placed directly right under this pillow. And for this next movement, I don't want to move my head at all in this position. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to straighten the bottom leg while keeping that top leg bent. My top arm right here is just going to be chilling right here. And then in one motion, I'm just going to start rolling back while keeping my head on the pillow as soon as possible, rolling back, good, just so that my top leg is now touching the table or the bed. Then from here, I'm going to bend my bottom leg too, good. Bring those legs a little farther out from the side. And then from here, I'm just going to press into the table to kind of lift my butt, reposition. My head is still on the table, really trying to minimize how much motion. And I'm just using now my heels to kind of press and move my butt as so to get me situated on this table. Transitioning from the lying flat position back to the upright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first create space between my hips and the table by bending both knees and then scooching my hip away from that side of the table. From here, I'm going to straighten out the leg closest while straightening out the arm that's closest. Here, the arm and leg farther away from the side of the table I'm going to roll towards. I'm going to bend and straighten. And then in one motion, I'm just going to take a deep breath and twist as so, kind of just getting this side over. And then while I'm in this position, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend both legs again, kind of like we're in that chair position as so. From here, I'm going to take that top arm. I'm also going to put it underneath the leg, just like my bottom arm is also underneath the bottom leg. And then from here, what we're going to do is we're just going to bring those legs out to the side. I'm going to start pressing into my wrist and elbow. So I'm just pressing while like a pendulum, I'm swinging out. Just really avoiding any of that over lateral flexion, that twisting or flexion. So again, in this position here, I'm going to do that, bring my legs over the side while pressing into my wrist and elbow, so coming up, so, and upright.